Hello friends, welcome to Let's Shoot.
I'm pretty sure you have watched many underwater live videos like the one I was busy watching. But have you ever wondered how and why do we hear those sounds? What's the science behind that? To check that, let's dive into our today's science experiment without actually diving into the pool. For today's experiment, all we need is balloons, water, watch, mobile phone. First and foremost, we'll take a balloon filled with water and with one hand try to hold it between our ears and this watch. And with the other hand, we'll make sure that we close our other ear. Oh yes, we can hear a slight ticking sound of the watch. Okay, so now let's try with another object, which is our mobile phone, and let's see that if we can hear the sound of mobile phone as well. Oh yes, it works. I'll get back to you. So after performing this experiment, we observe that sound can travel through water and we can hear it. Isn't it interesting? Now the question is, what exactly happened when the balloon filled with water was kept between our ear and this watch? Don't worry, I'll explain to you. So the sound produced by the watch propagated through water in form of waves, which are called longitudinal waves. So when these waves collide with the particle of water, they form compression and rarefaction, which cause vibration. So what happens with the vibration? Let's see.
This vibration then travel inside our ear and hit the eardrum, which creates vibration in our ear, allowing us to hear the sound.
Can you think of any real life example where sound travels through water? I'll give you one. In aquariums, you can hear sound of aquatic animals like dolphin, whales, and etc. And finally, we can end this experiment by concluding that sound does travel through water. So try it by yourself at home and see if you could hear the sound too.
If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like and share with your friends. Also let us know in the comment section if you want to watch more such experimental videos. Thank you.